Polkadot is expected to climb 2.1% by August 9, per Gov Capital update. Let's kick off with a glance at the most recent market activity. Polkadot has moved up 0.5% in the last day and is currently near an 82 cents. Let's review some forecast scenarios now. Based on CoinLore's data, the price could slide to $0.809 by tomorrow, a drop of approximately 1.3%. Polkadot could retreat towards $0.817 according to coin data flow, approximately 0.4% down. CoinCodex highlights it could edge downward to $0.819, marking a drop close to 0.1%. Another forecast released by Gov Capital sees potential for Polkadot to reach $0.837, a projected increase of about 2.1%. And lastly, Traders Union projects the price at $0.839 by tomorrow, which is 2.3% above today's price. This is the top return projection of all we covered. That sums up 5 expert insights. Let's go to the next. Let's take a closer look at what each forecast could return. The collective view of all analysts suggests a possible move between a decrease of 1.3% and a rise of 2.3%, depending on the analyst. That makes Traders Union the leader with 2.3% improvement in value by tomorrow. By the look of it, you could earn between $1 and $23 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability data, CoinCodex's forecast is the most dependable, with a 86.7% chance of success. By collecting the forecast side by side, I've drawn a consolidated consensus outlook. Consensus data points to Polkadot trading close to $0.824. Here's a closer look at the numbers. The consensus view places the price 0.5% higher than current levels. To put it simply, your capital could likewise gain by 0.5% if the scenario holds. If you used 1,000 here, the move might show a potential profit of around $5. The probability of the consensus scenario taking place is set at approximately 84.2%. At this point, let's review where analysts think the market is heading in the coming 3 days. CoinLore notes bearish momentum building up. Additionally, coin data flow emphasizes selling pressure dominating. CoinCodex highlights a balanced short-term outlook. Gov Capital projects continued upside pressure. Likewise, Traders Union suggests Polkadot could extend its climb. When the different perspectives are blended, the consensus forms an upward projection for Polkadot in the short run. At the end of the day, the majority of forecasts highlight a bearish move for Polkadot. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the day ahead. That day has already played out, so let's see how they matched. Ultimately, the actual closing price was $0.819. Not one prediction captured the real move. As far as accuracy goes, coin price forecasts stood out on top. Time to line things up. Only one outlook matched yesterday's daily candle boundaries. Looking at ROI, all forecasts were profitable, and coin price forecast performed best with 0.3%. Now on screen is the full results summary, how the forecast performed after fact checking. CoinLore posted $0.041 accuracy, 34% forecast probability, and 0.2% ROI. See if you can spot who came closest this time. Now take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow vary across different assets and Polkadot. Algorand leads tomorrow's projections with 2.8%, while Polkadot remains further down the list. At this point, Polkadot is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. The complete comparison is already accessible on my website. If you found this useful, a like and a quick subscribe would mean a lot. Until next time.